The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life sentence, finding there's sufficient evidence and the court is finding you guilty. 2022 CR 3873B and 2022 CR 3498B, State of Texas versus Philip Washington. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record for the state?
Brian Grimmer for the state of Texas.
For the defense? And are you Mr. Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled acknowledgement of discovery. Did you review all the discovery in this case with your client, and have you received all the discovery?
Yes, I have.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Washington, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
This courtroom hearing marks a critical turning point for Philip Washington, a defendant facing one of the most serious violent felony charges under Texas law, aggravated robbery. In Texas, this offense carries a staggering punishment range, anywhere from 5 years to 99 years, or even life in prison.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented in cause number 2022 CR 3873B?
Judge, is that the one with 2 counts?
No, that's the one with the repeat enhancement allegation.
On that one, Judge, we're just waiving the repeater enhancement.
Any objection?
No objection.
And then in cause number 2022 CR 3498B, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
On that one, Judge, I believe there's 2 counts, correct?
Yes.
We're proceeding on count 1, waiving count 2, and also waiving the repeater enhancement.
Any objection?
No objection.
Mr. Washington, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled court's admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them, and did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the state is proceeding on the aggravated robbery count. That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargaining agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargaining agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargaining agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargaining agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Washington, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter into these pleas?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargaining agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the plea bargaining agreement. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, the state is only proceeding on count 1 in each of the cause numbers. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 22 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, a $500 fine. There are no applications. Each case will run concurrent with each other. The state will take in consideration.
This moment is where the structure of the plea deal becomes clear. Prosecutors and the defense have negotiated a sentencing cap of 22 years, meaning the judge cannot sentence Washington to more than that amount if the agreement is accepted. That cap is significant because aggravated robbery normally exposes a defendant to decades in prison or even life.
2022 CR 3499B, JN number 2049196, 2076193, 2022 CR 3501. And you are in agreement that you committed these offenses with co-defendants. There's to be no contact with Cassandra Acosta, Jorge Colmenares. Brendan, for the record, that's Colmenares, Kenneth Henry, and Cynthia Maris, Mares. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There is not.
And if I can have parties approach. In 2022 CR 3873B, you all have outside the agreement the no contact order. But in the other one, it's inside the agreement. So I'm assuming that's the agreement. Is that correct?
It's just the no contact with the victims of the case. I think I put it on one and Brittany might have moved it down here.
That's fine either way, Judge.
All right, thank you. So, Mr. Washington, in cause number 2022 CR 3873B, you understand that outside the plea bargain agreement is the no contact order with Cassandra Acosta, Jorge Colmenares, Kenneth Henry, and Cynthia Maris. Do you understand that in cause number 2022 CR 3498B, that is a part of your plea bargain agreement, that you have no contact with those persons? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that if the court accepts your plea bargain agreement, the court is going to order in both cause numbers that there be no contact with Cassandra Acosta, Jorge Colmenares, Kenneth Henry, and Cynthia Maris? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in cause number 2022 CR 3498B, to count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And in cause number 2022 CR 3873B, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
All right, you pled no contest in 3498B, and you're pleading guilty in 3873B?
I mean, he said guilty on both.
Guilty.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. Brenda, is my hearing leaving me?
It's lunchtime, Judge.
You're like, you don't know how to respond to that. How do I respond to
I
that?
wrote guilty, so
All right, thank you. She's not even, see, she's a good co-reporter. She doesn't even protect me on the record. She's like, I couldn't hear it either. All right. State, any evidence support the defendants, please?
Yes, Judge. State would offer State's Exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
No objections.
All right, Mr. Washington, each of these cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call on, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand today that the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In cause number 2022 CR 3873B, court is finding there's sufficient evidence and the court is finding you guilty. All right. So we'll come back on that date, Mr. Washington, August 15th, and at that time, the court will sentence you.
Yes, ma'am.
And the sentence will be based upon the report I received from PSI and any other evidence that is presented. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
This hearing marks a critical procedural stage in the criminal case against Philip Washington, who faces 2 felony charges stemming from aggravated robbery allegations in Texas. Aggravated robbery is among the most serious violent offenses in the state's criminal code, classified as a first-degree felony. Under Texas law, that classification carries a potential punishment range of 5 years to 99 years in prison, or even life, along with a possible fine of up to $10,000. From the start of the proceeding, the judge carefully follows the required steps of a plea hearing. First, The court verifies that the defense has received all discovery materials from the prosecution. Discovery ensures that the defendant and defense counsel have access to the evidence the state intends to rely upon, such as police reports, witness statements, and investigative records. The defense confirms that the discovery process has been completed, allowing the case to move forward without dispute over withheld evidence. Next, the court confirms that Washington reviewed the true bills of indictment, the formal charging documents outlining the criminal allegations against him. These indictments detail the aggravated robbery counts that prosecutors intend to pursue. During this stage, the prosecution clarifies that it will proceed on one count in each case, while waiving certain additional counts and enhancement allegations. This decision narrows the scope of the prosecution and aligns the charges with a negotiated plea agreement. The most important part of the hearing involves the judge's admonishments. In criminal proceedings, courts must ensure that defendants fully understand the rights they are giving up when they accept a plea deal. Washington confirms that he understands he has the right to a jury trial, the right to confront and cross-examine witnesses, and the right to remain silent.